Along a roadside footpath, a group of workers were busy with their jobs. Everything seemed normal until one worker suddenly stepped back without noticing a pedestrian walking behind him. The small push sent the pedestrian toward the edge of the road just as a truck was passing by. In that moment, things could have turned tragic. Luckily, the workers reacted quickly and pulled the person back to safety. What could have been a serious accident was avoided. This shows the danger of working close to traffic. Workers should always set up safety barriers or warning signs and stay alert to their surroundings. Pedestrians also need clear, separate paths. Quick actions save the day here, but proper safety planning is the best way to protect both workers and the public. In a production area, workers focused on their jobs while a forklift moved materials. Everything seemed normal until one worker, not noticing the forklift, tried to cross its path. The forklift came too close and hit the worker. A routine moment quickly turned into a serious concern. This shows why clear communication and awareness are vital in factories. Forklifts should always use horns, lights, or alarms to warn people. Walkways must be marked, and workers should make eye contact with operators before crossing. Following these steps reduces such risks. Near a work area, a worker was walking without noticing a forklift coming toward him at speed. Focused on his own task, he stepped into its path and was hit. He fell to the ground, and the operation stopped as coworkers rushed to help. This incident shows how quickly accidents can happen. Forklift drivers must drive carefully, use horns and lights at blind spots, and watch for pedestrians. At the same time, workers on foot should stay alert, walk only on marked paths, and avoid distractions. Clear traffic rules and good communication keep everyone safe. Inside a factory, a crane system failed while lifting, leaving a worker hanging in midair. He held on as long as he could, but eventually lost grip and fell onto a parked truck below. The fall was serious, but he survived. Coworkers quickly helped him down and shut down operations. A routine job had suddenly turned into a crisis. This shows why crane systems and lifting equipment must have strict inspection and maintenance schedules. Workers should always wear fall protection like harnesses and use secure anchorage points. Fast emergency response helped here, but long-term safety comes only from training, planning, and prevention. In another factory, two workers stood on a forklift's forks, trying to push them down by jumping on them because the mechanism was stuck. Suddenly, the forklift moved forward and pinned one worker against a truck. What began as a shortcut turned into a serious incident. This shows that forklifts must only be used properly. Workers should never ride on the forks, and any problems should be reported to maintenance instead of trying unsafe fixes. Safe use and proper training keep forklifts useful, not dangerous.